Okay, so in this code, I just want to follow the code to make sure you understand what's going on. So let's click here. And in fact, on this first line, this is also an example of upcasting, meaning that map and hash map are two different data types. But the only reason I can go from right to left with the assignment this way and them being two different data types in this case, without any special way of converting them, is that because hash map and map are related. Map is the parent of hash map. So again, if I do Control T here to see the hierarchy, this is the map, and somewhere hash map is a descendant of map. Okay? And notice that this is also an interface. Just like we created an interface, this is an interface, and hash map implements that interface. Okay? So this is an example of upcasting right in front of us. Let's click away. All right, so let's run this in debug mode. I'll do debug as Java application. Step over. Let's step over if we want to go one at a time. Let's look at the map. Notice the map has nothing in it. Let's step over. Now the map has a key value pair where side is equal to 10. Okay. The next thing that's happened here is the constructor. Okay. So if I want to see what's going inside of here, let me see. I'll click on Open Declaration here. And let me try to go. So I'm here at the hexagon. I'll double click here. Let me hit enter so this goes on a different line. Save that. Oh, since I saved it during the debugging process, it's going to ask me, do I still want to continue? Because a change was made. Okay, and I still do want to continue. Let's go back to the driver. I want to step into this to see what's going on. Step into, and now I'm here in the constructor. Remember, constructor is a special method that has the same name as the class, but it's responsible for instantiating the object. Okay, so let's step into here. Now remember, the super calls the parent. So let's go step into again. And now I'm at the parent. I'm at the shape. Notice I'm using the keyword abstract here, which means that I cannot instantiate this particular class. So when I see an abstract class, I know it's meant to basically inherit. That's basically what I'm going to use it for. Okay, so here goes the constructor. Let's step over. We're passing this map, okay, that contains data to the instance variable. So I'll say step over here. And if I can look at, let's see here, notice now this map has now 10 and the value side. Let's step over again. Now we're back to the child, which is the hexagon. Let's step over. Okay, I'm waiting for it to stop. I'm going to set another breakpoint here. Now I'm going to tell it to continue until I get to line 17. So this resume will make it continue. And it finished. Okay. Well, I wanted it to stop, so let me click. I'm going to uncheck this one. Okay, well, don't have to uncheck it. Let me, oh, what did I do there? Control Z. Let's run it again. Debug Java application. I'm just going to click on resume, so I go straight to line 17. Okay, oh, I have a breakpoint here. That's why it didn't go there. I'll click on resume again, and it stopped at this breakpoint now. Now, what I want to do here is look inside of what's going inside of get shape. Let's step into get shape right here. Step over. Okay, we got this map from the super. 10 was passed in there. Then we'll grab the number 10 out of the map so we can use it. We then use this formula to figure out the area. Let's step over. That's the area right there, 259. And then remember, this is a double, but I'm returning a float. So this is an example of downcasting. What happens is when I convert a double to a float, I'll be losing some precision. So what this is saying basically is you have to explicitly say that, hey, I'm okay with losing something from this. Okay? So that's why you have to explicitly say this, that I'm going to downcast it this way. Okay? Let's step over. Step over. There goes the 259. Run it. And that's it for this class. So this is the same class. We just was debugging it. For those of you who have problems coding, I recommend that you debug code as much as you can. Okay? Just to look at it, play around with it, and just to get an understanding of it. With that, good luck and good coding.